Oh my god, I look so bad right now. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Oh. Look at that face. Look at that face. I sound a little bit disgusting right now because I went to a festival last weekend, so I'm still recovering. Also, I'm still wearing my festival band. Let me just take that thing off because I'm not 16 anymore. In today's video, I'm going to dye my hair again because I had no idea what to film today, and the only thing I could think of was dyeing my hair. So I literally decided to dye my hair 5 minutes ago, and I have no idea what color I'm going to do, and also I have no idea if I actually even want to dye my hair, but I'm going to do it anyways. Oh shit. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing me dye my hair again, then please keep on watching. Woo! I probably shouldn't be screaming with this throat of mine. So yeah, like I said, I decided 5 minutes ago that I'm going to dye my hair. So I have absolutely no idea what color I'm going to do. But I have a really big box of hair dye. So let me just take that. And then we can find out what color I'm going to dye my hair. Oh my god. I have so much hair dye. You guys are gonna scream. Look. Oh my god. This is like the second layer. There are like hair dyes underneath this as well. Wait, can you see that? So many hair dyes. Oh my god. But I don't know what color I'm going to do. My throat hurts so much. So yeah, I was thinking of doing a color that I've never done before. But I feel like the only color that I haven't done is pink. And I don't know if I want to have pink hair. Because to be honest, I don't really like the color pink. But maybe I should just like get out of my comfort zone for once and actually do something that I don't want to do. Because maybe it turns out good. But maybe it turns out extremely horrible and I'm going to regret it. So I don't... It's difficult. Let me see. Okay. Coral pink color, which actually, I don't know, it's pretty cute, right? Coral pink. But I also have lychee pink. And I have plum purple. The thing is though, I do not want to bleach my hair to get the color out of it once I'm bored of it. Because my hair, for some reason, it actually does feel pretty healthy right now. So I don't want to bleach it again. I think I should just go for the pink. Or this color. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, this is so pretty. I think I should go for this one, right? Okay, so I made my decision. I'm going to use the coral pink hair dye. Okay, let me get this stuff in my hair. I don't know what I'm doing. Like literally, why am I like this? I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's open it up. The packaging is already open. Is that like bad for your hair dye or not? Because I'm pretty sure if this is open, then it has been open for at least 2 years. So I hope it still works. I don't know. I really wonder if this is gonna work because it doesn't look like pigmented at all. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like very not pigmented. So I don't know if my hair is even gonna take it. Maybe I'm just gonna put it on my hair and it's just gonna rinse right off. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's do this. Look, it really, oh god, I feel like it's already going wrong because it doesn't look pigmented at all. Like, look at the color. Oh no. I mean, can hair dye expire? I have absolutely no idea. But this doesn't look like the normal hair dye I use from Lunar Tides. Oh no. What am I doing? Honestly, I'm just gonna use my hands because this is going way too slow for me. Do you guys see what I mean? It almost doesn't dye my hair at all. Oh no! It fell on my good pants and now it is on my face. I don't even know if I have like a hair dye on the back of my head. I don't know. Let me... Woo! Okay, I looked in the mirror and there are literally so many spots that I haven't covered yet on the back of my head. So let me just try and do that. I am a professional. La, 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 la. Okay. Going to use the last bit of hair dye that's in the packaging. Ooh. Ooh. Look how long my hair is already getting. Look. Oh shit. So long. But yeah, the hair dye is in my hair. And let me just like rub it in again for the last time. This is probably like destroying my hair right now, but okay. Okay. I got hair dye in my eye. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to sit and relax and wait for about 30 minutes? I don't know what the packaging says. 35. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on for 35 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to show you guys the end result. Which I'm like, I really don't know like what color this is. It looks kind of weird, but also it also looks kind of cute, right? I don't know. Okay, let me just self-reflect for 35 minutes and then I'll be back and show you guys the end result of this hair disaster. I don't know. Okay, see ya later, alligator. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey guys, I am back with my new hair color. As you can see, it didn't really, I already expected this to happen, but it didn't really take the color well. Or this is just the color that it's supposed to be, I don't know. But on the pictures that I saw online, it actually did look a lot different than it looks on my head right now. So it looks like almost exactly like the hair that I already had. Like there's almost no difference at all. But yeah, I have pink hair now. Ooh, hair now. My voice is so bad. So much fluff going on right now. But yeah, this is the color that my hair turned out to be. And I don't really know what I think of it. I think like the thing with me is that I always like very like harsh and like bold colors. So I'm not really into like the light pastel-y colors and stuff. I like it to be like very extreme. And this is very soft. So I'm not too excited about it. But I'm also like, I also don't hate it. I think it's fine. I mean, in the packaging it looked a lot darker than it does on my hair. So I kind of thought that it would turn out to be this color. But like as you can see, it's like way lighter. So I think I might like dye my hair a different color next week. Not sure which color yet though, but I have a little bit more time to think about it than I had today. So I'll figure something out. I do feel like definitely that having a hair color makes my fluffy hair look a little bit better. It makes it look a little bit more interesting. Because I don't like to have fluffy hair. You guys already know that. I don't like my fluffy hair. But I feel like when I put a color in it, it for some reason makes it look a lot better. Like, I'm not actually that mad about my hair right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's literally almost not visible at all. Like, this is such a light color. But yeah, guys, this was today's hair adventure. It's been a while since I dyed my hair, so I'm happy that I got to experience it again. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. Do you like it, or do you think I should like dye my hair a brighter color? Because this is, again, just a little bit like too cutesy for me. Also, by the way, one of the good things about not using gloves while dyeing your hair is that it actually stains your nails. So now my nails match my hair. It's like the exact same color. So yeah, I always recommend not using gloves because your hands and your nails will match your hair. So yay, bad advice from Lindy. Boo. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this spontaneous hair dyeing video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video.